Upgraded vibrating screen. Today, let me tell you about our revolutionary vibrating screen, designed specifically for gold ore processing. This isn't just another piece of equipment. It's your new secret weapon for maximizing gold recovery. At the heart of this system is our powerful vibration motor working with gravity to create the perfect separation process. It can process from 50 to 300 tons of material every single hour, efficiently screen out large waste rocks from those valuable fine gold particles. Let's take a look at the configuration. Screen decks. Top deck, 16 mm thick steel plate with 40 mm punched holes. Drive system, twin, 11 kilowatts vibration motors, heavy-duty industrial grade. Bottom deck, 10 mm thick steel plate with 10 mm punched holes. Advantage: high durability, steel punch plate screens, no mesh clogging, powerful dual motor design for consistent material flow. Machine weight, 12.3 metric tons, robust steel construction for stability. Heavy-duty structure minimizes vibration transmission. Equipped with 4 water spray pipes, it can effectively disperse the mud and achieve better ore washing effect. Clay removal rate up to 98%. The integrated water supply system enhances ore processing efficiency through multi-nozzle spray bar configuration. Precision angled water jets. Adjustable, 15-45. Optimized pressure regulation, 0.2 to 0.8 megapascals, 30%. Water consumption reduction versus conventional systems. Unbeatable quality, unmatched performance. Our vibrating screens deliver 98% ore cleaning efficiency with ultra-precise separation, making your operations smoother and more profitable than ever. Limited stock available. Contact us now to order your high-efficiency machine today.